टीवी पे, और ये बहुत इजी, इट्स अ वेरी न्यूट्रल वे टू आस्क योर फैमिली व्हाट डू दे थिंक ऑफ इट, एंड यू नो if they actually think about it. The other thing that I've seen people also see, like अभी इस केस में तो आपने ब्लूड, आपकी फैमिली ने ब्लूड देख लिया तो काफ़ी नेगेटिव हो गया एक्सपीरियंस, बट ऑल्सो समटाइम्स books are a great way that you can keep around, and if it is LGBTQ related and if they see it, sometimes parents only have this conversation with you. Like in my case personally, there was a book called Facing the Mirror. It was an anthology of LGBTQ stories, and I remember that my father saw it, and that's how he started the first conversation with me on this subject. But he also knew that I read a lot, and so I read, like it was not something कि ये क्या अचानक से पढ़ रही है, but अगर आप somebody हो जो एक reader हो, it helps to keep these books. And in fact, if you are somebody जो अपने family के साथ अपनी reading material share करता है, it's a great way to share books. And what I'm going to do is that post this talk, I'm going to also post some links. You can come on to my handle, and I will post some links that you can use and recommend some books that you could use. That's my first point. Second point है कि when it comes to before you're going to talk, it's ये आपको समझना या अपने लिए खुद के लिए अंडरस्टैंड करना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि what are your motivations for coming out. You should come out only if you feel confident and you feel ready. मैंने काफ़ी इंस्टेंसेस देखे हैं जहाँ पे आप if you are in the middle of marriage pressure, your boyfriend or your girlfriend may be forcing you to come out, and that's a very bad time to come out, and I'll talk about it a little bit more as we go along. Yeah, I am seeing that a lot of you are already commenting. Suraj is continuing with saying बहुत गंदा मारा है, cause वो बहुत narrow minded है, वो मेरी सगाई करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, मैं नहीं कर पा रहा कुछ उसके बारे में. So yes, we'll talk about this marriage pressure. I see somebody is talking about, I don't understand, that's Avi saying, I don't understand why people from Bollywood and politics still don't come out, which can help in this matter where now it's illegal. I feel so sorry for these guys. So yeah, I mean Avi, like I think like I would like disagree a little bit. Like I think कि पहले ज़माने से अब तक तो काफ़ी लोग बात कर रहे हैं. In fact, न्यूज़ से ज़्यादा आजकल आई एम सीइंग ऑन रियलिटी टेलीविजन दैट वी आर हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ आवर बॉलीवुड पीपल टेकिंग सम स्टैंड्स व्हेन पीपल आर विजिबली क्वियर कमिंग आउट. तो ये भी एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है एक्चुअली, रियलिटी टीवी. माय बिलवड फ्रेंड सुशांत हैज बीन ऑनलाइन. A lot of these singing and dancing talent shows, you are seeing queer people, and you can really come back to it. And Suraj, coming back to what Suraj was saying, that you get beaten up. So एक ये होता है कि this is something even from personal experience that I would like to tell you. Like a lot of times जब हमारे ऊपर marriage pressure होता है, we feel the need to actually come out, and in most cases, at least from the people that whom I have been talking to, I have found that the response to coming out to marriage is actually double. तो marriage pressure actually in fact और बढ़ जाता है. इसके लिए मैं sorry, I got a call in the middle. Marriage pressure काफ़ी ज़्यादा होता है. So जब आप marriage pressure के बीच में अगर आप you're going to come out, it's going to be a problem. So instead of that, if you are having any pressure about other things, it's important that आप ये जो बाकी सारी चीज़ें हैं उनको रास्ते से निकालें. So if there is a marriage pressure in your house, it's first कि आपको बहुत important है, आपके पार्टनर के ऊपर प्रेशर है, आपके ऊपर अगर कोई प्रेशर है तो आप वो मैरिज प्रेशर को हटाइए. आप अपने पेरेंट्स से या तो टाइम मांगिए या फिर find some reason to reject a proposal. Like I have found that like it's a cleverer way, it's in better way to say that I mean I'll look at getting married but not right now, and or just reject the person. There are 100 reasons why you can like reject somebody if you are not interested in marrying, and that buys you a lot of time. And so it's very important that before you are in a place to even be able to negotiate this with your parents, you are in a place where you are safe and secure. Secure होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And ideally I would say that if you are in college, first complete your college and then consider coming out. Have a job in hand. मैंने काफ़ी बार ये इसलिए भी ये कह रही हूँ क्योंकि मैंने काफ़ी बार ऐसे केसेस देखे हैं जहाँ पे जब आपका जॉब सिक्योर नहीं है, आपके पेरेंट्स ने आपको घर के अंदर बंद कर दिया है, तो आपके पास कोई से ही नहीं है और आप बाहर भी नहीं निकल पा रहे हैं. एंड ऑल्सो समटाइम्स आई हैव सीन दैट इट हैज़ हेल्प्ड फॉर पीपल कि अगर वो कहीं और कोई और सिटी में है, टू बी एबल टू नेगोशिएट बिकॉज दे माइट हैव अ सर्टेन टाइम व्हेन दे आर गोइंग टू गो बैक. So they are able to have it, and then there is some space in the middle for people to, understand your situation. Right. I see more people. I see some people have seen. Nishta is saying, I asked my mom to watch Angry Indian Goddesses. Yes, I think that was a wonderful film. I wish like the ending was not so gory. I am hoping कि और films हो जो positive endings हो. Selvan is saying they want me to change for my family. I don't know what to do. You're right. You're right. We'll talk about that. And Suraj is going. They feel like कि आपको immediately cure करने की ज़रूरत है. So, which is why I'm coming to the third point. क्योंकि definitely कुछ चीज़ें तो बार बार आती हैं आपके तरफ कि like आप अगर आप शादी कर लोगे तो आप बिल्कुल ठीक हो जाओगे. कभी कभी पेरेंट्स ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेने लग जाते हैं कि आपको ठीक करना उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है क्योंकि शायद उनकी परवरिश में कुछ गड़बड़ी हो. सो इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट कि जब आपकी तरफ इस तरीके के सवाल आए या कोई क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाए, यू हैव द राइट इंफॉर्मेशन टू बी एबल टू टॉक टू योर फैमिली. यू शुड नो you should be knowing the basics at least that one cannot be cured. It's not a disease. And also understand gender and sexuality. There are many resources that are available that you can read about. And also I would say that if you have आप अगर एडवांस में कुछ resources अपने साथ रख सकते हैं ताकि जब आप अपने पेरेंट्स या फैमिली के साथ बात करेंगे तब आप उनको ये बुक्स दे सकते हैं. दैट वुड बी रियली आइडियल. एंड द अदर पॉइंट इज दैट अगर आपके फैमिली में कोई है जो आपको लगता है कि ऑलरेडी सपोर्टिव है, आपके पेरेंट्स को बताने के पहले यू कैन टेल देम एज अ कजन सिस्टर और अ कजन ब्रदर हु सपोर्टिव, आप उनको बता सकते हैं. क्योंकि क्या होता है दैट लाइक हमने देखा है बहुत ज़्यादातर केसेस में यही होता है कि when you come out, your parents may not immediately talk to you about your sexuality. They will actually end up talking to your brother or your sister because they worry about being they just want to keep it private and they are not able to digest it, so they sort of talk to your brother or sister. And it's important कि आप अपने ब्रदर या कोई सिस्टर को भी लूप में रखें और उनको पहले से बता के रखें अगर वो ऑलरेडी फ्रेंडली हैं. अगर आप बात करने वाले हो उनको भी रिसोर्सेज दे के रखें ताकि दे आर एबल टू हैंडल क्वेश्चंस विच दे आर नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर. I am seeing some people requesting to be joining in on the live video. I'm sorry I can't do that. So for all the people जो अभी who have joined in right now, what I am doing is like for the first 10-15 minutes I'm going to give some generalized points और उसके बाद में हम एक एक करके we can take case by case answers. I know some people are finding it difficult because I speak a lot of Hindi. और कुछ लोगों के लिए डिफिकल्ट है कि मैं ज़्यादा अंग्रेजी में बात कर रही हूँ. मैं बहुत कोशिश कर रही हूँ दैट आई कीप अ मिक्स ऑफ बोथ सो मैक्सिमम पीपल कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. आई एम सीइंग दैट सम ऑफ यू आर सेइंग दैट you want to be married, you want to have an LGBTQ marriage and be accepted by your parents, and you're talking amongst each other. That's great. I'm going to come back to all your comments very soon. Right. Yes. Okay. I'm going to come back to all of that. Just to say that actually आप वो conversation अपने parents के साथ कैसे करें. एक बार आपने decide कर लिया कि आपके ऊपर कोई harm नहीं आएगा, आपको लगता है कि आपकी कोई मारा पीटी नहीं होने वाली है ये conversation करने से. So it's important that आप decide करें कि आप कहाँ उनसे बात करने वाले हैं. Ideally it's the best thing to do would be to talk to them at home. This includes your siblings also and friends also, to talk to them in a private space. क्योंकि मैंने देखा है कि जब लोग चूज करते हैं कि या तो some people choose to somehow come out in a newspaper, that's not very supportive, I feel. But even if you decide to say come out in a restaurant, sometimes people feel that कि आप उनको embarrass करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, or they feel cornered, so which is why they are not able to be fully supportive of you. Now I know that your coming out is something that is your own journey, but also you need to remember that once you give the information to whoever you are giving this information to, it's also going to be their journey of supporting you. So जरूरी नहीं है कि शुरू में उनको पूरी तरह से समझ में आए. So it's best that कि आप उनको एक space दें जो उनके लिए भी supportive हो, उनके लिए भी safe हो, where they can ask you questions about your sexuality in a way which feels comfortable. So also it's very important कि before you have this conversation, it's important that you be very emotionally centered. ये जो conversation होती है काफ़ी बार काफ़ी emotional हो जाती है, आपको काफ़ी रोना आएगा. So अगर आप थोड़ा रोएंगे it's all right, but अगर आप पूरी तरह से गिर पड़ेंगे then you'll not be able to have a conversation. एक ये मैंने ये भी देखा है कि अगर आप supportive हैं, आप confident हैं, then your parents are able to also they are actually उनका reaction काफी mirror effect होता है. So if they see that you are confident, they also feel confident in your decisions. So very important that you stay centered. और ये भी होता है कि काफी बार I've seen that parents might get really upset with this whole conversation and they might start blaming you. वो शायद आपके कोई friends के ऊपर blame करने की कोशिश करें कि this person has tried to convert you. So it's important that you don't get angry at that moment, क्योंकि आप एक बार गुस्सा हो जाते हो तो फिर conversation वहीं end हो जाता है. There's no way of keeping that conversation going in a way that that is comfortable for both parties. So it's important कि जब ये conversation हिलने लगे, किसी और के ऊपर आपकी family blame करने लगे, आप उसको conversation को वापस push करके अपने ओर लाइए and talk to your parents that this is not about anybody else, nobody has converted me, this is about me. और जब आप बात करें तो फिर आप अपना स्टाइल जो भी आपके लिए कंफर्टेबल है वो चूज कर सकते हैं. फॉर सम पीपल इट हेल्प्स फॉर देम टू से कि वो क्या फील कर रहे हैं, और कुछ लोग प्रेफर करते हैं कि वो बताएं कि उनका बचपन से एक्सपीरियंस क्या रहा है. इम्पॉर्टेंट टू स्टे ऑनेस्ट, क्योंकि आप अगर ऑनेस्ट रहेंगे तो वो आपके पेरेंट्स जानते हैं कि ऑब्वियसली आप ऑनेस्ट ही बात करें. दे माइट reject you और ये बोलें कि they don't agree with you and somebody has converted you, but when they have the moment alone, they'll know that you were actually being honest, and usually they do obviously know, and there might be कभी कभी आपको बार बार अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स के साथ ये बातचीत करनी पड़ेगी कि आप क्वेयर हैं, क्योंकि they might जो इनिशियल फेज होता है रिजेक्शन का, they don't want to hear you, they don't want to accept the reality, but when you talk to them over and over again in different times, they will be more supportive. इसलिए जब आप एक बार बात भी कर लेते हैं उसके बाद you should leave some resources to them, you can connect them to experts as well. खुद भी अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आप ऐसे स्पेस में हैं जहाँ आप बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनल हो जाएंगे, तो बिफोर दिस कॉन्वर्जेशन you can get in touch with a counselor. Keep a support system also ready with you when once you're done talking. And right, in the end, I would also like to say कि मैंने ये भी देखा है कि कभी कभी पेरेंट्स चाहेंगे कि आपने उनसे बात कर ली तो they want to take you to a psychiatrist or they want to convert you and all of that. I feel like you should go. कुछ आप में कोई बदलेगा नहीं, no change is going to come. But of course, if somebody is trying to convert you, you have to let them know that it's against the law. And after you had a conversation, you can share resources with your parents, which they can then look at when they are alone and when they have their own time. And important to just keep staying patient. कुछ पेरेंट्स जो होते हैं वो immediately बहुत supportive हो जाते हैं, और कुछ लोगों को काफ़ी टाइम लगता है. So that is really overall what I believe about coming out. I would like to see what each of you are saying and take it case by case. Okay. Give me some time. I'm just scrolling through all your responses. Jigya is saying that they made a film Pari and Pinocchio on the same subject, available on Royal Stag Large Short Films. Thanks Jigya, we always need these kind of films. सूरज कह रहे हैं बहुत गंदा माहौल है, cause वो बहुत नैरो माइंडेड है. इवन वो मेरी सगाई कराने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बट मैं रुका रहा हूँ. ओके सूरज, सो आई विल एडवाइज यू कि इन दिस मोमेंट आप अपने सेक्सुअलिटी पे इतना मत फोकस कीजिए. जब भी हो सके आप ये कहिए कि आपको शादी नहीं करनी है, एंड स्टिक टू इट. आई फील लाइक कि इट हेल्प्स दैट यू जस्ट फाइंड different reasons to tell them. If they already know, they know the reasons. But मैंने कभी कभी कुछ लोगों के केसेस में ये देखा है, when they tell their family, they say that like to tell your family that it's not right that you are asking you to get married as a gay person. Would they like it if their daughter was married to a gay person? So it's not really right, and you don't want to do it. You're not going to spoil another life just because they want you to get married. That is one thing that has worked. Otherwise, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि माहौल और बिगड़ता जा रहा है, तो फिर इम्पोर्टेंट है कि आप ज़्यादा इंडिपेंडेंट बनिए, अपने पैरों पे खड़े रहिए. और ये घर से अगर आप बाहर निकल सकते हैं, थोड़ा स्पेस ले सकते हैं अपने पेरेंट्स से, तो यू विल बी इन अ बेटर पोजिशन टू हैव अ कॉन्वर्जेशन अबाउट योर सेक्सुअलिटी. एक ये भी होता है कि शुरू के कॉन्वर्जेशंस में अगर आपने बहुत इमोशनल कॉन्वर्जेशन की है, दे माइट बी वेरी रेजिस्टेंट, बट ओवर टाइम अगर वो आपको देखेंगे कि आप इमोशनली काफ़ी स्ट्रांग है और आपका स्टैंड बदला नहीं है, वो भी बदलेंगे. राइट. ओके सूरज, जैसी लाइक आपकी तो काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम चल रही है. आप कह रहे हो वहाँ पे एक बार यू हैव अ जनरल शॉप, वहाँ पे एक बार गे कपल आए थे तो मम्मा पापा ने उनको सामान नहीं दिया, भगा दिया. दैट्स रियली सैड, एंड आई रियली होप दैट आपके पेरेंट्स ओवर टाइम बदलेंगे. आई नो, मीन लाइक राइट नाउ आपको लग रहा होगा कि देयर इज नो वे दे आर गोइंग टू चेंज, बट फॉर ऑल द पीपल हु fear coming out before and because of this feeling कि my parents are not going to understand, I just want to give you hope कि I have seen thousands of people come out. और कुछ लोग तो बहुत नेगेटिव थे, इनफैक्ट दे वांटेड टू शूट देयर चाइल्ड, बट ओवर टाइम वो बदले हैं. सो देयर इज स्कोप फॉर चेंजिंग. और ये मुझे ये भी बोलना है कि लाइक वाइल कमिंग आउट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. अगर आपके पेरेंट्स टॉक्सिक हैं, आपको लगता है आपकी मार पिटाई है, यू डोंट ओ कमिंग आउट टू एनीबडी. कम आउट ओनली इफ यू फील सेफ विद दैट पर्सन एंड दैट समबडी you trust and you think that their support matters and they will be supportive. But अगर आपको constantly यही feedback मिल रहा है उनसे कि वो एकदम negative हैं और आपकी life और बदतर बना रहे हैं, I would suggest that becoming more independent and getting out of that situation and cutting off that relationship from your life. Yeah. Selvin said already that they want me to change for my family. I don't know what to do. So I mean, Selvin, like it's important to like keep coming back to them when you're talking to your family that what you want is to be honest to them. मैंने कभी कभी ये टैक्टिक भी देखा है कि जब आप अपने पेरेंट्स को कम आउट करते हो, खास करके इंडियन पेरेंट्स के साथ, इट हेल्प्स इफ यू गिव देम समथिंग टू डू इन रिटर्न एज वेल. Like for example, when you come out, you tell them that like I need your support. It would be, I mean, I think it will be of great support अगर आप मेरे friends के साथ भी मिलेंगे. You would be doing me a great later, and so these things like really help. Okay. Somebody is saying I should have learned Hindi. Sorry Vivek, I'm trying very hard to make a balance. Okay. Jaya is saying Shubh Mangal Zyada is best in this case. Yes, I think Shubh Mangal Zyada Savdhan was a great film. I think it really kind of spoke a lot. और मुझे लग रहा था कि जिस तरीके का वो फैमिली ड्रामा हो रहा था, हमारी फैमिलीज भी बिल्कुल ऐसी हैं, काफ़ी ड्रामेटिक हैं, जिसकी वजह से इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट कि हम भी in response dramatic ना रहे. It's a bit of onus on us to be more centered जब हम अपना communication करते हैं. For a lot of people ये जो emotional centeredness है इतनी आसानी से नहीं आती है. It has helped to go through counseling. खुद भी अगर आप एक काउंसलर के पास जाएंगे, आपको पता रहेगा कि आपके कौन से ट्रिगर पॉइंट्स हैं, कहाँ आप इमोशनल हो जाते हैं. मैंने बहुत बार देखा है कि लाइक फॉर अस इट्स इजियर टू कम आउट टू फ्रेंड्स देन कम आउट टू पेरेंट्स, क्योंकि हमें पेरेंट्स से डर लगता है और कभी कभी उनके टोन से ही हम लोग शायद रोने गिरने लगे. सो या आई मीन इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट टू बी अवेयर कि क्या चीज़ से आप ज़्यादा इमोशनल हो जाते हैं, और इसके लिए काउंसलिंग काफ़ी हेल्प करता है. और एक और चीज़ है, लाइक अगर आपका पेरेंट एक टाइप का है जिनके सामने आप ज़्यादा बात नहीं कर सकते हैं, और वो जो ज़्यादा जनरली काफ़ी नेगेटिव हैं, या उनके उनके बॉडी लैंग्वेज में ऐसा पावर है जहाँ पे वो आपको इमिडिएटली शट डाउन कर देते हैं, देन यू कैन लुक एट हैविंग दिस कॉन्वर्जेशन इन चंक्स. इसलिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि आप देखें कि आपके पेरेंट्स का बॉडी लैंग्वेज क्या है, या आपके ब्रदर या सिस्टर का बॉडी लैंग्वेज क्या है. कभी कभी जब हम बहुत इमोशनल होते हैं, हम उनका बॉडी लैंग्वेज नहीं देख रहे होते, बट इफ यू फील कि उनका बॉडी लैंग्वेज काफ़ी नेगेटिव है या नेगेटिव की तरफ है, आपको ऐसी इंप्रेशन आ रही है, मे बी यू कैन लुक एट डूइंग दिस कॉन्वर्जेशन अगेन लेटर. आप ये कॉन्वर्जेशन को वहीं तोड़ सकते हैं. आप कह सकते हैं कि हम इसके बारे में बाद में बात कर सकते हैं. और मैरिज इन इंडिया एंड बी एक्सेप्टेड बाय ऑल पेरेंट्स. या आई थिंक लाइक कि बहुत लोगों का ये उम्मीद है कि लाइक पेरेंट्स शादी के लिए मान जाए. एंड आई नो ऑफ कपल ऑफ पीपल हु एक्चुअली डन दैट, जिनके पेरेंट्स शुरू में काफ़ी नेगेटिव थे और ओवर टाइम काफ़ी सपोर्टिव हो गए. ये पेरेंट्स के लिए एक्चुअली क्या हेल्प किया था वाज एक्चुअली themselves also to be part of parent support groups. So if you already don't know, there is a support group called Sweekar, which is a support group for parents. ये जो स्वीकार सपोर्ट ग्रुप काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है, क्योंकि इसमें LGBTQ बच्चे नहीं हैं, सिर्फ पेरेंट्स हैं. पेरेंट्स जो पेरेंट्स से बात करते हैं, और ये काफ़ी सपोर्टिव हो जाता है पेरेंट्स के लिए, बिकॉज अगर वो आपसे अपसेट हैं देन दे कैन टॉक टू अदर पेरेंट्स. और जब वो बाकी पेरेंट्स को देखते हैं दैट दे आर सपोर्टिव, वो भी खुद भी उनका भी इम्प्रेशन बदलने लगता है, जो परसेप्शन है सोसाइटी का बदलने लगता है. And I've seen like people who have joined this this queer support group, they have become like queer parent support group. They actually become very very vocal supporters of their children. चित्रा पालेकर भी इस ग्रुप में है. आप everybody who is looking for support, you can get in touch with them. Right. Avi is saying Sushant, Andy, they are brave, but I am talking about big fishes in the pond and crocs, because it will help those hypocrites to shut their mouth when they realize there's one in their group. Yeah, that's true, Avi. Like, it's so important. And I really strongly believe that I feel like there is one queer person in every family, and if like all of us come out, like the world will be a much better place. And but also like people who are visible, who are influencers, important that they start coming out. बट आई थिंक कि व्हाट्स मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इज़ कि हम अपनी ओर पहले देखें, क्योंकि अगर हम कम आउट करेंगे देन इमीडिएटली हमारे सराउंडिंग में एवरीबडी स्टार्ट्स गेटिंग सपोर्टिव. लाइक इन माई केस पर्सनली, आई रियली डिडंट थिंक मच व्हेन आई वाज कमिंग आउट, एंड वंस आई केम आउट I took my own time. My parents have taken some 10-12 years to be very supportive, and now they are very supportive. But I've seen that because I came out, so many of my cousins were able to come out. A lot of my father's friends whose children are gay, they have written to my father because of this. So the more visible each of us is, that you don't know, where it's a trickle down effect. A lot of us will come out because of that. Selvin is saying, I came out as a trans woman. My parents on Easter Sunday, I was under a lot of mental pressure. Selvin, I'm sorry to hear like that your parents are still in this space, but yeah, I mean parents का क्या होता है कि they want to put this like if they feel that you are queer, they want to sort of find a reason for you being queer, because still in their mind they think like unconsciously they think that it's a mental health illness or it's a disease. So it's very important to first like give them information. I know that like coming out as a trans person is far more difficult than coming out as a gay or queer person, because explaining gender dysphoria is kind of difficult. But मैंने जो देखा है like जो मेरे अराउंड है people, what has helped is कि जब आप अपने बारे में बात कर रहे हो, instead of using labels, इट हेल्प्स दैट अगर आप अपने एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बात करें. एक्सपीरियंस इज समथिंग लाइक सेइंग दैट आई हैव नेवर felt comfortable in my body. I am not comfortable with these clothes. So these, I like wearing certain kind of clothes. So these are experiences your parents would have already seen, and they, they cannot like negate that experience. But also, like I've said again and again, ये coming out जो होता है, it's a continuous process. आपको शायद बहुत बार अपने parents को ये बात दोहरानी पड़ेगी for them to completely understand. But important है कि आप honest रहिए. And I really hope that your parents will come around. I'm quite sure that they will. Mehboob is asking, in what ways will it affect my life if I never decide to come out? Okay. Yeah, this is a question like which is asked to me a lot. Like, I mean, it's not necessary to sort of come out. And I agree, like for some people it's not necessary to come out. But I do feel that once you come out, being on the other side, I think my life has changed dramatically in the positive direction, because इसके पहले जब तक आप नहीं बताते हैं कि आप ये हैं, एक blanket assumption होता है कि everybody is queer, and decisions differently. So when I am out in a corporate space, the language in the place actually changes, and also the kind of questions that I am asked about my personal life sort of change, and I don't have to hide anymore. Like, people think that okay, it's easy to hide, but actually it's not so easy to continuously hide your sexuality. It's about even when you take a phone call, people know who are you talking to and what is going on. So I think like what helps really is, after coming out, that there's no longer any weight of having to hide anything, and it's that much sort of less stress. And if you don't decide to come out, okay, if you're in spaces where your sexuality is never discussed, okay, but like I feel that will you, like, it's a question you need to ask, do you feel that you will be feeling your full self in front of them? Like, for most of us, I think like best friend, we should be honest to them as much as possible. Okay. Avi is saying, it's my first interaction with your session and it's cool. Thank you very much. Right. Jayesh is saying, my mom blames herself for me being gay. She thinks because she was overprotective, it turned out to be gay. Yes, जयेश, आपने एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट लाया कि एक्चुअली पेरेंट्स बहुत बार ये अपने ऊपर ले लेते हैं कि लाइक आई हैव बिकम लाइक माई चाइल्ड इज गे बिकॉज ऑफ मी, या फिर उनकी परवरिश में कुछ गलती हुई होगी, समबडी इज अ ट्रांस वुमेन बिकॉज वो ज़्यादा औरतों के साथ घूम रहे हैं. सो इस सिचुएशन में इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप उन्हें और रिसोर्सेज दीजिए, गिव देम मोर रिसोर्सेज. आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू अ लिस्ट ऑफ फिल्म्स दैट यू कैन मेक देम वॉच, एंड आप उनको पेरेंट्स के साथ और पेरेंट्स के साथ कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ये जो फीलिंग होती है ना, where these usually parents are feeling very alone in this space also, and you also need to be more supportive and sensitive. So try out more about what it means to be queer. And of course, like agar they are open to, you can also ask them to be in touch with more counselors. Okay. Somebody is saying, मेरे family में even my didi is not accepting me. Yeah, Suraj, like again you bring a very important point कि कभी-कभी हमारे family में कोई भी supportive नहीं होता है, which is why you have a community. आप ये देखिए कि आप एक alternate family build कीजिए. आपके city में कोई ना कोई support group रहेगा ही, and आप सपोर्ट ग्रुप से इन टच रहिए. इट रियली हेल्प्स टू हैव एन ऑल्टरनेट स्पेस. लाइक मेरे लिए व्हेन आई वाज इन हमसफर के जो एम्प्लॉयज थे, दे वर माय फैमिली एंड दे रियली हैव सपोर्टेड मी थ्रू thick and thin, and it has been like really supportive. And I just want you to know that even if all of you here, in fact, if you have no one, you have me, right? I am your family, and you'll always have me even if things go bad. Okay, right. Everything positive. My dream is to have a legal LGBTQ marriage in India and be accepted by all parents. Yes, that is everybody's dream. मैं पर्सनली सपोर्टिव नहीं हूँ ऑफ मैरिड लाइफ, बट जो लोग मैरिज चाहते हैं, to each its own. Actually, there are a few people who actually do marriages, and it's interesting. मैं थोड़ा बहुत काम कर रही हूँ with religion as well. I've been working with the church, and I've been talking to different people who are talking about religion and sexuality. And I will say कि वो काफी hopeful रहा है, काफी लोग काफी अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. And I'm seeing that there is a change coming amongst religious heads. So I'm hoping that over a period of time, and I feel like in another next 10 years, we should be in a place where, religious institutions, at least some of them will provide for marriage. And और कुछ नहीं तो like soon, अभी तो time आ गया है, we should fight for our civil rights. So होपफुली ये लीगल हो जाएगा और आप शादी कर सकेंगे. हम इसके लिए पूरी लड़ाई करेंगे, ऑल्दो वी आर नॉट पर्सनली सपोर्टिव ऑफ मैरिज. ओके. Nick is saying you are doing a great job. Thank you, Nick. Thank you so much. Your support means a lot to me. A lot. You have no idea. Rohit, I am 26 now. I am still struggling with my job. And I'm having a pressure of marriage from family, but I'm postponing. Repeat again, like before you come out, it's very important still to get this marriage pressure out of the way. Buy some time if you can. And once they have, you can tell them that you are you are getting upset with this conversation repeatedly. You need a few months before you talk about this again. If you feel like they will be supportive, they know of your marriage. If they know about your being gay and that marriage pressure will stop, that is an option you can use. But definitely do not do this if you are already engaged to somebody. अगर आपकी already शादी की बात चल रही है, कोई एक दूसरा तीसरा बंदा पिक्चर में है, तब आप कम आउट मत कीजिए. मैंने ये काफ़ी देखा है, एंड आई वांट टू ब्रिंग दिस पॉइंट अप, कि कभी कभी क्या होता है कि जब हमारे फैमिली में मैरिज प्रेशर होता है, हमारे बॉयफ्रेंड्स या गर्लफ्रेंड्स जो उनको बहुत दे फील वेरी स्कैर्ड एंड दे स्टार्ट फोर्सिंग अस टू कम आउट, राइट? And we decide to come out, and I have seen that there is a very usually I've seen that the response to this is very very negative, because then the pressure sort of gets doubled up. And so you should not please, if you have a partner who's under marriage pressure, don't further pressure them. Like that is not something that is supportive for them in the moment. आप उनको सपोर्ट कीजिए इन व्हाट वेज विदाउट ब्रिंगिंग यू इन द पिक्चर, वो ये शादी के प्रेशर से निकल सकते हैं. दूसरा ये भी होता है कभी कभी जब आप अपने पार्टनर के बारे में भी बात करते हैं तो योर पेरेंट्स दे फील लाइक बिकॉज दैट योर पार्टनर इज द रीजन दैट यू आर गे, दे ट्राई टू मेक यू गे, एंड दे माइट एक्चुअली एंड अप कॉलिंग योर पार्टनर्स पेरेंट्स. और फिर मैंने ये भी देखा है कभी कभी जब मैरिज प्रेशर बहुत स्ट्रांग होता है, खास करके लड़कियों के लिए, कुछ पेरेंट्स जो हैं घर में लॉकडाउन कर दे, put so much emotional pressure on you that you finally given. And in this space, if you have a partner also who is like not really being supportive, constantly pressurizing you, it doesn't help. So please sort of avoid it. So Rohit, in your case, I would say that one, if you can totally buy time, that's great. Second, if you feel like if you can tell them, it will remove the pressure, you're ready to do it, do that. Another way of doing this is to take some space, like थोड़ा space also helps. अगर आप एक और सिटी में हैं तो आप अपना काफ़ी टाइम बाय कर सकते हैं. और हमेशा मतलब अपने पेरेंट्स से कहिए you want to talk more about this subject, like you're not close to having more conversations, so your parents don't feel like कि आपने एक decision उनके ऊपर एक थोप दिया. Okay, Vivek is saying my parents want me to go through a hypnosis therapy as conversion. Okay. Vivek, I mean like my strategy in this would be that I would really go, क्योंकि आपको कोई hypnosis करके कोई कुछ change नहीं कर सकता. It's not going to happen. But like you don't really need to put yourself through this. You can ask them कि who is this person who is doing hypnosis, and you can actually file a case against them, because conversion therapy is a malpractice and it's illegal in the country right now. That is how the law is. You can tell a couple of us activist friends and we can shut the place down. Simple. Also, you can ask, like especially when people like कभी-कभी खास करके friends और जहाँ relationship equal है, you can also look at turning the questions around. So when somebody says that when did you realize you are gay, you are not always gay, so you can say when did you realize you are straight, so these kind of questions, if you kind of turn it around, it also helps them to realize like how some of the things they have been thinking are pretty stupid actually, but it's okay. Like we need to learn to be kind to everybody. Gryffindor is saying they will always be more masculine, not feminine. Yeah, I don't know where you're going with that, but if you are feminine or masculine, whichever way you are, I think you should celebrate it. Okay. Dheer Ranjan is saying something about cross-dressing. I don't know where you all are going with that, but अगर आप अपने comments में और explain कर सकते हैं, then maybe you can respond to that. Ruhanika is saying it's been 5 years that I came out said it's dysphoria. Parents say it will go. Looks like your parents are like having a major giving them resources. It might help to talk to somebody older than them or their friends also. Sometimes I find that grandparents talking to parents has helped. मैंने ये भी देखा है कि parents listen to other parents, ये काफ़ी help करता है. अगर कोई already parent है, like in fact ये जो स्वीकार जिसकी group के बारे में बात किया, Indian parents के group के बारे में बात किया, there are some parents whose children are trans women or trans men. So talking to a parent who's already in that experience might help them. But आपको like you have to keep offering help. Here again I will say that if they are very negative and constantly pulling you down, it's not acceptance is independent and move out. Sometimes लोग space लेके भी आपका perspective देखने लगते हैं. And yeah, but like overall connect them to experts. You can give them some videos to see. Like I've seen some parents की शुरू में उनको the first 2 years तो दिन को बिल्कुल नहीं सुनना था, but over 2-3 years when they were given books or they were given videos, जब वो अपने space में थे, then they have actually gone and seen the resources later when nobody's around them to judge them to actually read. They have read material. और एक ये भी होता है कि once you come out, if when there is anything coming on TV about LGBTQ, once you come out to somebody, people actually start following news around LGBTQ very मतलब ध्यान से देखते हैं लोग. पहले it's like there's something else, something is going on, but after your friend or somebody comes out, people start listening to news very differently. So I find that over a period of time, especially when you see experts talking about that subject, the opinion changes. So and also Ruhanika, you need to tell me like if your parents are comfortable with reading material. I sometimes feel that videos or podcasts do very well. Films sometimes have a great effect. Films about parents who had a child who's queer. There are some great films that you can show your parents. Ruhanika is saying, I feel like completely trapped. I'm really sorry that you are in this space, and I hope you get out of this soon. We can also do a one-on-one later. So you can write to me at Sonal Gyani on Instagram. And maybe we can do a one-on-one call also if you feel that will help you. In fact, that offer is open to everybody who is struggling right now. Okay, Neeti. Hello, Sonal. Thank you so much for doing this. The community appreciates you. Thank you so much. The Storm Factory is clapping there. Thanks. I really love the Storm Factory. Everybody should follow the Storm Factory if you aren't already. Okay. Savio says, hello. Everybody, please use the send message option from this video and get your friends to watch this awesome video. Thanks, Savio. Thanks. Yogi is saying, hello, ma'am. Thank you very much. Jayesh is going on. Jayesh says, my mother blames herself for me being gay. She's sad most of the time and stressed. This makes me sad and guilty. Right. Jayesh, I'm sure this must be really difficult to see a parent going through like such complicated emotions. So try to connect them to a counselor. Leave them the number of a counselor and leave them the number of this parent support group. It's like any person actually struggling with depression. It's important that you leave them support numbers. Maybe इस वक्त वो ready नहीं है problem deal करने के लिए, but at some point in their life they will feel that they want to access help, and so they will have numbers. And I really hope that you come out of this situation soon. And please don't feel sad and guilty. It's not your fault, that this has happened. These are external circumstances, and we are going to find ways to overcome them. And there are ways to overcome, and you will overcome. Okay? Avi is saying north part of India seems little uncomfortable than rest, whereas South Indians are not that strict. You're going to be surprised, Avi, that I have found like it's got nothing to do with geography. कभी-कभी गांव में जो लोग हैं जिनके साथ मैंने गांव में भी काफी काम किया है मैंने, कभी-कभी गांव वाले ज्यादा खुल के accept करते हैं because they don't have they have not education is not उनका दिमाग बंद नहीं हो गया है उसकी वजह से. But this has got nothing to do with being South Indian or North Indian. Coming out is a journey which is for everybody. It's personal, and every person is in your life is going to respond to it differently, and you just need to find a way to speak in the language that the other person understands. Okay, Niharika is saying most of my family members I'm supposedly close with are extremely homophobic, and I think that influences how my parents think about the community. I told my mom and she said it's a phase and all. Okay, right. So many of us go through this, like in public places में कोई भी कुछ भी homophobic बोल देता है और हम कुछ बोल नहीं पाते हैं और हमें ये सब बकवास सुननी पड़ती है. But I have found that कभी-कभी turning this around also helps. Like when somebody says something problematic, you should say, where did you read that? How do you know about that? That is factually incorrect. Please, read up on it. Sometimes just standing up, it also helps a lot, because then your friends know that you can't be bullied into something. And this is why also it helps with allies. In fact, if you find as allies, if you find somebody making any homophobic jokes, you need to just stop them and check them right in their place, because one, they won't continue being homophobic so freely. And secondly, उससे हमें बाकी सब जो लोग आपके around हैं उनको पता चलता है कि आप supportive हैं, so they are able to come out to you, And this phase and all bit, Niharika, this has happened with me also. So many of us, we get to hear that this is a phase and all. And but the thing is that your mother, your family will know that it's not a phase if you are having this conversation. कभी-कभी हम इमोशन के बहाव में सब कुछ वही बोलना चाहते हैं, जरूरी नहीं है. Everything can wait one more day, Okay. Avi is saying I was happy to see one app for LGBT marriage. Oh wow. Okay, there has been some LGBT marriage bureau. Okay, I think operating from Ahmedabad, which seems to be a scam. So please be careful. और also जिनको already मालूम नहीं है, right now marriage is not legal in India. Okay. So एक तो यहाँ पे लोग मैरिज कर रहे हैं और फिर डिवोर्स के लिए भी आ जाते हैं मेरे पास. So भाई साहब लोग थोड़ा we'll fight for marriage, but I think people are 20 steps ahead. Yeah, so be careful of these apps. Make sure that you verify, check with other activists that are these apps proper also. Neelam, Vishal, everybody's giving me a thumbs up. Thanks. Rohit is saying hello Rohit. Vishal is saying, true, coming out, you become more comfortable about yourself and more confident. Please stop asking wrong questions, right? Yeah, that's true, Vishal. And I'm glad you're pitching in. Vishal is another person I really love. You should follow their website if you aren't, their handle if you aren't already. And hi, thanks for joining my live. Right. So ये definitely है, कि जब हम जैसे we start becoming confident about our sexuality, we are able to handle questions. और believe me, एक point ये भी आता है where you don't feel the need to even answer any questions. और I have तो in fact इतने सालों से लोगों से बात करके मैंने इतनी सारी चीजें सुनी है और मुझे बिल्कुल भी गुस्सा नहीं आता है. बिल्कुल भी नहीं आता है. And you know, it's possible to reach that phase. So where, you know, people say any garbage, you're able to be calm and like, you know, sort of bring it back. एक चीज मैंने नोटिस की है, not just about parents and society in general, that if you have a respectful conversation with people, they see your point. If you like, हमारा क्या होता है कभी कभी जब लोग उल्टा सीधा बोल देते हैं, the response is like very negative. But if you are calm and sometimes even kind in return, I found that the people who are making the most outrageous statements, they have become very you know, sensitive towards the end of it and actually defending you. This had happened to me a lot about my bisexuality. I remember initially when I was coming out as bisexual, people used to say all kinds of very problematic stuff. And 20,000 people already fighting, and most of these are, you know, my gay friends or lesbian friends. So, you know, people change and believe that people can change. Rohit is saying there is much bad happening in our queer society. People are charging huge money for one shout out on the name of matrimony page. People are using other people insecurity for their profit. Yeah, that's true. थोड़ा सा मतलब ये queer movement काफी capitalist हो गया है. हम लोग काफी ऐसे बन गए हैं कि एक दूसरे के लिए तभी रीच आउट करते हैं या कुछ करते हैं जब बदले में कुछ मिलता है. बट मुझे ये कहना लोगों से दैट ये कम्युनिटी नहीं है, कम्युनिटीज हैं, और आपको काफी लोग ऐसे भी मिलेंगे जो जेन्युइनली आपको सपोर्ट करना चाहते हैं. तो ऐसे लोगों को अपने पास रखिए, खुद भी ऐसा इंसान बनिए ताकि यू नो वी बिल्ड अ कम्युनिटी विच इज काइंडर एंड रियली, यू नो, वेयर वी आर देयर फॉर ईच अदर. Like for me, Color Positive is like that, QNet is like that, Yariyan Umang, they are all like that. And it got built because we believe that we can change the community. And always believe that about yourself, that you yourself alone can change things. Okay, Mehu saying, don't you feel sometimes that it's a tough life through life, though life is true and pure now? Question from again. Yeah, I think like, हाँ, life तो बहुत काफी tough है. Quarantine को ही देख लो and you know, but I think like it's so important to still look at things that are hopeful and positive for you. Sometimes when you find that life is becoming very tough, I have found that making a vision board helps to see the future a little bit, and then it like, you know, goes quite well. But you know, I think personally, if you ask me, is it tougher? I think like it's much better. I think I would have been really boring if I was straight. You know, I'm very happy that मैं ऐसी हूँ, you know, और तभी I'm able to talk to all of you. Can you imagine? Okay. Shreya is saying your thoughts on the trans bill to 2019. I am not comfortable with the trans bill. I think it's like really regressive. I think that it's like these judges have like, and our even parliament completely missed the point of self-identity. I think the trans bill also, like before the trans bill, in fact the Nalsa judgment, if people hadn't read the Nalsa judgment, I need to tell you trans bill. This trans bill might look great on paper. I don't think that implementation wise it's good. Hi Vishal. Hi Rohanika. Hi 8644, hi Vivek, hi Niti, hi Klasio, hi Shreya, hi Rohit. Sorry guys, like my connection was weak, it just disconnected and I have like missed a lot of your questions. I'm feeling very unhappy about that. Okay, relatively local LGBTQ Delhi, hi Shrams, hi Ace in the Maze, hi Rohanika. Okay, so I mean I'm sorry I missed the questions which were below and there's no way of bringing them back. So if you can repeat your questions, it would be very, very helpful. Yeah, but like talking about the trans bill, I think there's a long way to go when it comes to the trans bill. Ape is asking me, how am I doing in this quarantine? I hate it. I absolutely do not like this quarantine. But I'm trying to do some useful things. I'm trying to, you know, do a course on screenwriting because I want to build films which, you know, which are supportive and celebrating the LGBTQ community and hopefully people can use to come out. Right. Everything Positive is saying, my family belongs to Swami Narayan Sampradaya who don't accept, who are not accepted. How can we explain this concept? So everything positive. I think that there's, when it comes to religious groups, I can connect you to the people who are experts on that particular religion and you can look at the debate when it comes to religion and sexuality. Although मैं majorly कहूँगी कि आप religion में मत घुसिए, जितना हो सकता है आप अपने fundamental rights और आप अपनी निजी जिंदगी के बारे में बात कीजिए. But again, of course, if it becomes about religion, you can always connect them to somebody who knows better about this. And there are many people working on religion. I'm happy to connect to you. Maybe you can leave me a message on Sonal Gyani and I will do that. Vivek says, my astrologer says it's a planetary thing and says it's a phase. I have been put through 10 therapists, 4 astrologers, and when parents were ready to accept, astrologers pulled all down saying cure. Okay, a lot of malpractice sort of, going down over there. I mean, I think like one thing you could do is see if you can sort of convince your parents that since you have gone and seen 20 therapists, can they come with you to see, certain therapists or, community members, and you can connect them to somebody more supportive and more positive. They are very heavyweight therapists and heavyweight doctors who, I can connect you, whom you can talk to depending on which city you are in. Yeah, it's very annoying when these astrologers and religious people do that. You can let us know, we'll build a list and bring their ratings down. Classy yo, what should we do if our parents are not ready to accept after giving them awareness on LGBTQ community? So Classy, I don't know if you missed जो पहले मैंने बातचीत की है, but maximum parents, they don't immediately accept LGBTQ even if after you give them awareness. This is about like repeatedly having conversations with them. It's about giving them resources and उनके पास resources छोड़िए ताकि वो उनके ऊपर जब supportive हैं, जब ready हैं, space में हैं तो उनके बारे में पढ़ सकें. You can connect your parents to a support group जहाँ parents उनके साथ बात कर सकते हैं और आप उनको experts like जो NGOs हैं उनके साथ connect कर सकते हैं. But most of all, I think like what helps is to maintain your stand, come back to this conversation with them and stay in an emotionally strong space. With over time, मैंने देखा है कि parents do change their opinion. Yeah. And it is saying I tried introducing my parents to the LGBT community through short films or randomly talking about, but they do not. So yeah, so now you know ki so the mahal is not to chunks and try different methods that sort of help. It might help to actually get a parent to come and talk to them, maybe bring them to a LGBTQ event, or if they can meet a friend whose parents are supportive, that might help. So you can look at different ways, but the most important thing, Annette, is to be patient through all of this. LGBTQ Delhi is saying, thank you so much ma'am for this conversation. It's really helpful for a lot of us. You are family now. Yes, thank you. You are all family for me also. And trust me, we are all going to survive this. Rohanika is like, I wish I had an elder sister like you. You have me. We are your community. You have no idea, Rohanika, ki how many people have been like elder sisters for me in this community, which is why I reached here. And I'm very happy to be there for all of you. And it says, want to listen at all. So much homophobia, what do I do? Okay, Annette, so you know that right now the situation looks like very, very negative. I think you need to pace the conversation out. Maybe the next conversation you can have is in the next 6 months, not before that. And if something LGBTQ comes up, it might also help not to comment anything on it, for some time. So they don't have to feel pressured. Like कभी-कभी क्या होता है कि उनको लगता है कि आप pressure में जानबूझ के उनसे ये बात करा रहे हो and they are not ready for it, so they don't do it. So yeah, it might help to sort of pace it out a little bit and leaving resources around the house. This helped with my mother, who was initially not very supportive, not in the mood to listen to anything. But now she is very, very super supportive. In fact, she calls me whenever anything comes on television. Right. Leo after all waving. Ashish, hi. Ajinkya, hi again. Lovely quotes from the LGBT community. For me personally, I think like there's this film called Milk, if you haven't already seen it. Some of the quotes of Harvey Milk are like unbelievable. Like, so it gives me a lot of energy. Check the film out. Hi Raj, hi Omkar. Classy saying thank you. Omkar is saying, I'm working as an educator with one NGO. How to start the dialogue with children? Okay, Omkar, I think that's a good interesting question. So the thing is that when it comes to children, you'll have to be sort of age specific. There are many books which I can forward you about sexuality, which you will find on the websites of Kriya, Tarshi and Nirantar. These are NGOs that you can read more. Sexuality is something that you can talk about. It's important that you don't reduce sexuality to just sex, because sexuality is a combination of love, sex and desire. So आप प्यार के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं, initial few feelings के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं, kindness के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं, and through that you can introduce this subject. And you can look up Agents of Ishq. Agents of Ishq also has some great material on how to talk with children about the subject. And also I found children ज़्यादा open minded होते हैं to this subject. लोग काफ़ी डर रहे होते हैं उनको बताने में, but they are quite supportive. Hi Rainbow Salt, hi Omkar, Muskan is here, hello. Right, Serial Chiller joined. Serial Chiller, some people are requesting to be in the live video. Oh, I can't do that at the moment. Okay. So I feel like, okay, we are mostly done with the questions, and I'm also out of time. It's 6:10 right now. Thank you everybody for joining me on this video, this live about coming out. This was the first time doing a live. I'm not sure how successful this was, but it was fun. And I think that we should do this more. You can follow me on Sonal Gyani, and you can also follow Color Positive. If you still have more questions about coming out, please write to me.